the three biggest airplanes in the world. Give a like and subscribe, and let's get started. First, the Airbus A380, the largest passenger airplane in the world from Europe. It is 72 metres long, with a wingspan of 79 metres and can carry around 850 passengers on two decks. It makes long flights easier for airlines. Second, the Stratolaunch, a unique airplane from the United States with connected wings and 6 engines. It is 73 metres long, with a wingspan of 117 metres. It is designed to launch rockets and satellites from the air and can carry huge weights. Third, the Antonov An-225, the heaviest cargo airplane in the world from Ukraine. It is 84 metres long, with a wingspan of 88 metres. It can carry 250 tonnes of massive cargo, used to transport giant machines and industrial loads. Which airplane is the biggest and most impressive to you? Tell us in the comments.